We'll guide you through how to understand Printful pricing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printful website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the product catalog, located in the main menu. This is where you'll find all the products Printful offers, each with detailed pricing. Click on any product you're interested in to learn more about its cost. You'll see the base price, which is what Printful charges you for the item alone. Keep in mind this price doesn't include shipping or taxes yet. Now, to understand the full cost, click on the Pricing tab for that product. Here you can see a breakdown of the base price, and if you scroll down, you'll find the shipping costs, which vary depending on the destination and the shipping method. It's important to remember that these costs are added on top of the base price. Now, if you want to see how much profit you can make, there's a handy profit calculator right on the product page. You can enter your desired retail price, and it will calculate your profit margin for you. This is a great tool to help you price your products effectively. Lastly, don't forget to check out the billing section in your account settings. This is where you can review any past orders and see a summary of costs, including any taxes that were applied. Understanding these elements will help you price your products competitively while ensuring you're making a profit. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.